Hi! Isa ka rin ba sa naghahanap ng home-based job online? Alam mo ba na may isang home-based job na kung saan pwede kang kumita ng at least 20,000 a month? Na kung interesado ka malaman kung ano yun, just keep on watching. Hi, ako po si Jack from Jack Makes Money on YouTube. Para sa mga bago po nating manonood dyan, ako po yung gumagawa ng mga videos about money making online, kagaya nito, and some reviews on websites where you can earn some extra cash. If you're interested to be part of my YouTube journey, please consider subscribing. Welcome back, guys. So, para sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, ESL teaching is a type of job wherein you can perform kahit nasa bahay ka lang. And ito po ay pagtuturo ng English sa mga foreign students, mostly from Asian countries like China, Japan, and Korea. That actually depends kung which company are you applying for, which will be discussed later on. Now, regarding naman po sa payment, personally, I have a few months experience as an ESL teacher. And sa previous company po na pagtrabahuan ko is that they pay me 50 pesos as a starter every session. Now, every session would last 30 minutes. Actually, it's just for 25 minutes. Your remaining 5 minutes will be used for your preparation for your next class. Which means na in an hour, you will get at least 100 pesos for as a starter. So if you multiply that 8 hours a day, it will give you 800 pesos on a daily basis, which I think is really good pay for someone na nagtatrabaho lang sa bahay. Now, becoming an ESL teacher will only require you to be online for your classes, conduct the class as it is. So, pag-usapan natin ngayon is yung mga requirements po na kung gusto mo maging isang ESL teacher, ano ba yung mga basic requirements na kailangan mo? Unang-una po sa lahat is kailangan mo ng sarili mong unit or let's say PC or laptop. Pero personally po, I would strongly recommend na if you're planning to buy a unit to become an ESL teacher, I would strongly recommend na bumili po kayo ng laptop kasi, for example, may mga power outages or unforeseen brownout sa area nyo. Of course, hindi nyo naman po magagamit yung PC compared sa laptop. And pangalawang requirement nyo po is internet connection. Previously, sa personal experience ko before, they required me to have at least 5 Mbps internet connection. So if you're planning to have an internet connection set up at your home, I would recommend getting a plan where you can get at least 5 Mbps or higher than that. They would also require you to have a backup internet connection, so meaning you will have to get a pocket Wi-Fi. Kasi again, if there are unforeseen, blackout or scheduled power outages sa area nyo, at least may backup ka. Pari ka pa rin makapagtrabaho while there is a power outage. Pangatlo is your own headset. Kasi ESL teaching will be conducted via virtual class, so meaning you will be talking to the student online. So of course, kailangan nyo ng headset para makapag-communicate kayo. And pangapat is your own webcam. Since the virtual po yung class, the student will have to see you face to face. Pero pagkakaalam ko, yung sa student side, it will be optional. But for you, na teacher, you will really have to turn on your camera. So, yun po yung 4 basic equipments na kailangan nyo. As for becoming an ESL in general, hindi nyo naman po kailangan talaga maging isang fluent sa English or magaling ka talaga sa wikang English. Basta alam mo lang yung basic grammar and of course yung correct pronunciation ng words and all that, pwede ka na po mag-apply. Educational attainment, I don't think na these companies would require you to have minimum educational attainment. At least high school level would do. Kasi before when I applied, I was still in college. I was still in first year college. Na-hire agad ako. Okay? And back then, while as a student, I was earning 8,000 to 10,000 every 15 days, which I think is really not bad for a student. Actually, malaki na yun eh. Kasi that was like 2014. When you want to start to apply na po for becoming an ESL teacher, I'll be putting may top 3 companies na kung saan pwede ka mag-apply as an ESL teacher, and all the links will be on the description box. So first of all, when you apply, kailangan mo of course ng resume. Okay, well-written resume. Application letter, I think it's optional. First stage will be the interview. You will be called via your phone or through your Skype. So if you don't have a Skype setup yet, make sure na gumawa ka na as early as now. Another thing is a technical test. Okay, so ano ba yung technical test? You will have to send your laptop specifications and also the speed of your internet. But don't worry guys, kasi upon submitting your application, all the instructions on how to do so, yung mga binanggit ko kanina, will be provided by the company. Tuloy-tuloy na yun guys pag nakapasa kayo sa first stage, which is the interview and the technical test. You will have a demo teaching and of course, maaari na kayo makapagsimula kaagad. Lastly, my top 3 recommended companies wherein marami po akong kakilala na mga nagtatrabaho dito, and I was able to get some good feedback and they are happy with their current state. Okay, the first one is 51 Talk. So for 51 Talk, ang students po na tuturuan nyo is mga Chinese, all types of students from young ones to old ones. The second one is Akansok. So Akansok naman po, same thing with 51 Talk. They also cater or they also teach Chinese students. The third one is Rare Jobs. So Rare Jobs naman po is mga Japanese students. So yun po yung mga top 3 recommended companies na nagbabayad talaga legit, and of course I've been hearing good feedback from them. So if you are planning to apply as an ESL teacher, I would strongly recommend checking out those 3 websites, which is on the description box. That's pretty much it for today's video. I hope na sana makatulong to if you want to become an ESL teacher. Just in case you have any questions na gusto nyo malaman about becoming an ESL teacher, just leave a comment down below. So don't forget to please click on subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching. Again, ako po si Jack from Jack Makes Money on YouTube. Ciao!